Hey guys, it's Skylark here, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Mac. I'm going to show you three ways. First of all, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of the full screen. Second way will show you how to take a screenshot of a part of the screen, and the third way will show you how to easily take a screenshot of the given window. So let's start. In order to take a screenshot, we will use keyboard shortcuts. To take the screenshot of the entire screen, simply press Shift, Command and 3 on your keyboard. Once you do this, screenshot is automatically taken, as you can see in the right bottom corner. If we right click over here, we can choose to save it to desktop, documents, clipboard or any other of those actions. If you don't do any of those actions and you don't click in the right bottom corner, this screenshot will be automatically saved to your desktop. So that's the first way. Now we're going to take a screenshot of the piece of the screen. In order to do that, press Shift, Command 4 on your keyboard. And once you do this, your cursor will change, as you can see on the screen right now. Now it's kind of like a pointer of a gun. And now in order to take the screenshot of the piece of the screen, simply hold your left mouse button and drag it to the part that you want to take the screenshot of. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the right top corner, as you can see right now, and the screenshot is taken. So now again, if you right click here, you can save it to desktop, documents, clipboard, open in email, preview photos and so on and so on. You have different actions. If you don't do anything, it will be automatically saved on your desktop. So that's the second way of taking a screenshot. And now let me show you how to take a screenshot of a window. So now let's say we have a window and we want to take a screenshot of it. In order to do that, simply press Shift, Command 4. Our cursor will change, as you can see on the screen, and now press space. And as you can see, now the window is highlighted. So if I move cursor over here, this part is highlighted. So if you have multiple windows opened, you can just move the cursor over the window you want to take a screenshot of and click on it. And as soon as you do this, as you can see in the right bottom corner, the screenshot was taken. And one more time we can save it to desktop, documents or clipboard, or just ignore it and it will be automatically saved to our desktop. So now let's open the screenshot that we have taken. Let's start with the first one. That was the screenshot of the full screen, and as you can see, it's over here. The second screenshot was the screenshot of the part of the screen, and as you can see, the right top corner was taken on the screenshot. And the third one was the screenshot only of the certain window that we chose, and as you can see, it's also visible over here exactly how we've taken it. So those are the three ways of taking screenshots on Mac. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to take a screenshot, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.